This is my bug out bag or camping bag. Either or works. Either or. I use it for camping, but it's almost suitable for bug out. I've got a separate bug out bag. First you got a water bottle that stays in there. I've partially unpacked this, but my computer died and it erased it. Axe. I'm just going back over everything I took out. Toilet paper. Industrial grade torch. And a pack cover for the rain. Throwing knife. Alright, that's everything in the side pockets. Alright, let's see. Front. Little spatula. Hot apple cobbler. An X plate. And an X mug. I really like these. They're easy-ish to clean. It's a mug. I've got a bowl in there. Or a frisbee. If that were Mio. Because I don't like drinking straight bleach water, I guess. A little trowel. And silverware. Fork, knife, spoon. That's it. Oh wait. And a knife sharpener. Diamond. Alright. First pocket. Subsonic 22s. About half a box. Got a mini pot full of headlamp, lighter, these magnetic flashlights, and a few firecrackers for fun. Or, I mean, you could use it to scare off something. A pair of wool socks, underwear, a little light bar. Just threw that in there. Non-stick pan. Another shirt, shorts. It's summer. I don't need to pack heavy. I've got lantern on the bottom. It's got a little light on the bottom. I like this. Great for in a tent or a hammock. I like it. Water purification. Katadyn. Bag full of shells and 22 earplugs with two bags actually. A little speaker just for fun, Bluetooth, and almost out of duct tape. About 50 feet of paracord. Nah, that's actually about 75. A Hennessy hammock. These things are awesome. If you don't got one, pick one up. They're great. A Henry US 22 survival rifle. No, I personally don't like this. It is not very accurate. It's not reliable. But it's the only thing that'll fit in my bag. I'm about to buy another 10-22. Thing of zip ties. Another box of 22s. And air grills. Some kind of knife. And last but not least, a towel. It's a microfiber towel. It's quick dry, so, you know, it's a full-size towel too. And that's about it. I'm about to buy a new bag so I can fit more stuff. A Max Edition Falcon 2 actually has the same, but it has Molly on it, so I can put my sleeping bag. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a sleeping bag on the bottom. Alright, thanks for watching.